Assalamualaikum नाज़रीन, मेरा ज़म्बोंगा में पहला जुम्मा है। अपनी बीवी का जैसे बहुत लेट हो गया। आई गॉट लेट बिकॉज ऑफ माई वाइफ फॉर द जुम्मा प्रेयर, सो आई हैव टू फाइंड अ मस्जिद। Yeah, we should just take a tuk-tuk and just ask him for a near masjid. Is that okay? Because no, it's only one person. No, one person only. Near mosque. Tell him to bring to the near mosque. तो अभी हम टुक में बैठ चुके हैं, आप देख सकते हैं। मेरी वाइफ ने बोला कोई भी करीबी मस्जिद वहाँ ले चलो। So right now we are in tuk-tuk. My wife just said in Tagalog that just bring us to the near masjid, not much time left because our Jummah is going to start very soon. And please don't tell me we are getting stuck in some kind of traffic here. So are we going to a new masjid, right? Yeah. I told you to not to do full push at last moment. She was doing her full push at last moment. And this is my first Jummah in Zamboanga, right? And also last, I mean, for now. Take your phone off. Oh, in my ass. Left. So where you gonna wait? You gonna come inside? Okay.
إلا من أبى قيل ومن يأبى يا رسول الله قال من أطاعني دخل الجنة ومن عصاني فقد أبى. Diberitakan si Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam mengatakan si umatku akan masuk surga. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah. Hayya 'alas salah, hayya 'alal falah. Qad qamatis salatu, qad qamatis salam. Allahu akbar, Allahu akbar. La ilaha illallah.
So I already finished my Jummah prayer. I thought it was 12:30, but luckily it was 1 o'clock. So this is a Grand Masjid Barbara where I finished my prayer. Alhamdulillah. Finally, I offered my Jummah prayer. This is my first and last prayer in Zamboanga. So I thought the prayer will happen at 12:30. So I arrived 12:30, worrying that I missed the Jummah prayer, and I realized that the khutbah or the sermon is still ongoing, and the prayer happened at 1 o'clock. This is the Grand Masjid Barbara, one of the biggest mosques in Barbara, but not the oldest mosque. Oldest mosque is a little bit far away, like around maybe 20 kilometers, but I don't have time enough to reach there, so I pray in the Grand Masjid Barbara. And mashallah, it's a very beautiful mosque and it's a lovely mosque. I couldn't find space inside to sit down and pray because there are so many people, elders, small, everyone come here and play. In Zamboanga there's a population of 500,000 Muslim, and I'm excited. I mean, I want to come back again because Zamboanga is a very different country. It's a city. It has a very different flavor to it. It's a different vibe. It's very hard to explain unless you are here. I hope you like my praying my first Jummah at the Zamboanga Grand Masjid Barbara. Make sure to subscribe and bye.